Today's video is going to be super duper beginner friendly. We're doing this really cute hairstyle that honestly, I think with very minimal practice, anybody can do. We're going to start this hairstyle by parting my hair straight down the middle, and we're going to carry that part straight down the back of my head. Now, I'm not going to check to make sure my part is straight before I get styling, so if we check it at the end and it's not, fair warning, I didn't check. But if I was going to wear my style out all day, I would check. So if you're going to wear it out and having a wonky part in the back is going to bother you, then I would suggest you check before you get started, but that's your call. I am just going to clip all the hair on one side out of the way so that I don't accidentally grab it. Now we are just going to start with the front section of hair. This works great if you have short pieces around your face and you want those off your face, but it is super, super easy. And you're gonna grab that section and bring it into two and just bring the front piece over the back piece, and now the back piece becomes the front piece. And before you do that same thing again, you're just gonna add a little bit of hair to that back piece that is now your front piece. And then you're gonna switch them again and then add a little bit of hair and then twist them over each other again, and you're just gonna keep doing this all the way down to just behind your ear. This doesn't have to be perfect. If it's a little messy, it still looks cute. Something like this is really easy. It still might feel fumbly and weird when you first start, and that is fine. That doesn't mean it's too hard for you, and if you keep practicing, you will get it, I promise, because this is a super beginner-friendly tutorial. Now you're gonna grab all that hair. Make sure you get it all. You could do a pigtail or you could do a bun. And because we're making this super beginner friendly, we're gonna do the easiest possible bun you can do. We're gonna wrap this hair tie. This hair tie, I find I need to wrap it 3 times to make it as tight as I need it to be. So figure out how many times you need to wrap your hair tie. If it's twice, 3 times, 5 times, doesn't matter. The last time, so this is my 3rd time, I'm just gonna pull the hair halfway through, leaving a little loop bun, and I'm gonna pull it tight by spreading the bun apart like that. See, some of the ends came out. That's okay. You can either leave them out or we can just tuck them in to the hair tie. And then we are just going to repeat on the other side. There we go, super cute, super, super beginner friendly, super easy to do. We'll check the back, but again, if I'm gonna wear a style out all day, I generally check the back as I'm going. Often when I do these styles, because I don't have my mirror with me, I can't see the back, so let's see what it looks like. There we go. But I always advise you check the back as you go so you're not frustrated and disappointed when you finish and you check the back at the very, very end and it looks terrible. But you will get the hang of those things as you style your hair more often. So just keep on going, keep styling your hair every day that you feel like styling your hair, and don't get discouraged just because it doesn't turn out the same as mine on your first try. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope this gives you another fun style. I hope this has been helpful, and I would love to hear from you in my comments. Please hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and like and subscribe because it really helps me out. Bye, guys.